Since Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution. Before you replace the upper oven bake tube in your double oven gas range, be sure to unplug the power cord or shut off the power supply. Shut off the gas supply as well. Pull the range away from the wall so you can access the rear of the appliance. Use a Phillips head screwdriver or a 1/4-inch nut driver to unthread all of the screws securing the lower rear access panel. Lift the panel up and out to remove. Now open the upper oven door and remove the rack. Slide the bake burner tube cover to the left and lift up to remove. Unthread the wing nut and remove the shields. Unthread the screws securing the orifice cover and remove the cover. Next, unthread the burner tube mounting screw. Now slide the burner assembly to the right and lift up the front of the tube to detach. Now use a 15/16" socket to unthread the nut securing the bake tube to the mounting bracket. Returning to the rear of the appliance, use a 5/8" wrench or an adjustable wrench to unthread the nut securing the bake tube to the safety valve. You can now remove the old tube. Install the new upper oven bake tube by inserting the end with the orifice through the rear of the oven and position the end in the mounting bracket. Insert the opposite end into the safety valve, then thread the nut. Be careful not to damage the tube by over-tightening the nut. Confirm that the orifice end is fully seated in the mounting bracket, then thread the nut to secure. Again, avoid over-tightening. Align the burner tube on the orifice as you insert the front tab into the slot in the base. Slide the assembly to the left, then thread the burner tube mounting screw. Reposition the orifice cover and secure it with the screw. Realign the shields, then thread the wing nut. Reposition the bake burner cover and slide it to the right to lock it into place. Replace the oven rack. Reposition the rear access panel. Thread and tighten the screws to secure. With the repair completed, turn the gas supply back on, plug the power cord back in, or restore the power supply, and the gas range should be ready for use.